There is a huge skills gap in this area.
I'm sitting down with many critical infrastructure companies, and they have a big challenge. They have this data transfer, and they have a workforce, and they don't know what to do with the workforce.
We were seeing firsthand that there were our customers, our prospects, our partners just didn't have the cybersecurity and critical infrastructure protection skills.
What they can do, get them to a firewall certification, to an antivirus certification. Their needs are different.
OPSWAT's doing its part to help address that skills gap.
OPSWAT Academy plays a crucial role in achieving OPSWAT's broader missions to protect the world's critical infrastructure by solving the skills shortage problem in industry and by enabling our customers to efficiently manage their environment through OPSWAT products. The Academy enhances the overall effectiveness and preparation of individuals and organizations to tackle cybersecurity challenges in SIP environment.
Our certification focuses on really the critical infrastructure certification.
Training that I received from OPSWAT taught me around real-life data handling, data management aspects on the shop floor. The course content was really concise, it was short, and it was attention-grabbing, but also very detailed and very relevant to OT operations.
I would definitely recommend OPSWAT Academy to anyone I know, especially if you're trying to break into IT or if you're trying to break into OT technologies. The courses, they're delivered soundly. They give you the information that you need. The costs for these certifications are so low, but the value is there to actually land you a job.